Apollo 11 launches from the Kennedy Space Center.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Transition to 4-Hers inside a planetarium watching a video of an astronaut walking on the moon. Sarah Nelson, 4-H STEM specialist.
Mission Moon was developed really as a catalyst or something that will spark youth's interest in STEM. And it was developed also as a way for us to bring STEM out into the counties and out across the state of Iowa.
Lillian Burkett, Mission Moon participant.
We went into the planetarium a lot, which was very cool. I love planetariums.
Footage of different activities from the Mission Moon program.
We learned about all of the missions that are going there, and going along with the missions, we made mission patches, and we were able to code little sensors, and then we did a fox hunt outside. We actually witnessed a balloon launch by Iowa State students this morning, which is very cool. So it's just a lot of really cool activities that'll kind of delve you into the world of STEM and the world of engineering and aerospace.
Footage of additional activities include drone flying, coding, soldering, and building a radio wave receiver. Taryn Recker, Collins Aerospace.
It's important to the state of Iowa because we have a really high need for people in different STEM fields and different STEM roles. Kids see themselves in these types of roles, that they're equipped, that they feel prepared, and they know what types of opportunities, career opportunities in STEM are out there.
I had my eye on engineering for a while, but after aerospace engineering and after all of this, like very technical building with your hands stuff, it's definitely something that I want to pursue farther.
Clayton Plaguey, Mission Moon participant.
It's fun, it's a friendly environment, it's an encouraging environment that helps you meet friends and learn new skills.
I was just blown away. I just thought it was so amazing, so engaging. I never got an experience like this, and I think that it could have been just really impactful and really have helped me see that I maybe could have had a different role in STEM or contributed in a different way.
STEM education is just a critical piece of the economy here in Iowa. And I think Iowa 4-H Youth Development and the Iowa Space Grant Consortium through their programming is helping to contribute to developing not only the workforce that's needed for that economy, but also some of the innovation that's going to be needed for that economy.
We do employ such a large STEM workforce, especially in Iowa, so it's really important to us that kids get the exposure, that they feel prepared, that they're interested, and they see themselves in STEM careers.
Animation of Iowa State University Extension and Outreach and 4-H Wordmark. Text appears below. This institution is an equal opportunity provider. For the full non-discrimination statement or accommodation inquiries, go to www.extension.iastate.edu/legal.